部長、なんでこの時期に新入部員なんすか。俺が言いたかったな。
なんだ、風邪が？
鼻が利かないや。
It's great to meet you.
You as well.
President, what's the point of adding a new member?
Yeah, what he said. The bird gets it.
Did you catch a cold?
Yeah, I can't smell anything.
Go ahead.
You're right.
Yes.
Wait, what?